Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So last night we had a big floral painting launch, and today I'm going to show you what happens after a painting sells online and everything that we do to get it ready to ship and get it to our customers.
So I am Brandi and I'm the studio manager, also Brooke's sister, and the first thing we're going to be doing is setting up pictures for marketing and Pinterest and other things like that. So we have some fun props today that we're using. We're really excited about how this launch turned out, so we just wanted to get some fun pictures of everything.
So we really like the setup, so we're gonna go ahead and take some pictures, and I think we're gonna get some with me in it too. And
maybe some outside too.
Yeah.
So before we ship our paintings, we make sure all of the edges are done and then coat each one with a Liquitex glossy varnish, and that just protects the painting and keeps the colors intact. And so I'm gonna coat this one.
So after all the varnish is done, I like to go on the back of it and sign the title and my name and the date on the back. So this one is called Champagne Dreams.
Now time to wrap it up. Now, time for the signature ribbon.
What color?
And this one was like a champagne color, so maybe light
or we could
pink
do the
light
blue. Maybe the blue.
Light blue. blue.
That had a lot of blue in it. This is my favorite part of the packaging. I try and keep them the same every single time. It's like robotic at this point. Here we go.
And then on each painting, we include a little freebie. It's perfect for a little frame. You could set it on a desk or anything. And then it has a little thank you note from Brooke on the back. And then a quote about flowers. And we kind of change it with each launch that we do. Parfait.
Looks so pretty. What happens next, Brandi?
Next, we have the massive bubble wrap. Because we can't have these getting damaged in shipping. So we have this massive roll of bubble wrap.
That's actually small.
Yeah, they start out like twice the size of this.
At least. Kind of like you work at FedEx.
Kind of. Some days. There we go.
Looks good.
Just trying to remember this in.
Good.
And stuff it with extra butcher paper so it doesn't move around when it's being shipped.
Test.
And make sure it's not going to move around. That's pretty good.
Yeah. So Brandi just finished packing it, and now all that's left to do is bring it over to the computer and fulfill it, and then bring it to UPS. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe so that you can keep up with all the new content we have coming your way.
Bye.